We've rounded up the biggest savings on power tools, accessories, and workshop must-haves to help you crush every project with confidence. From trusted brands like DEWALT, Craftsman, and Kobalt to smart storage and bundle offers, these deals deliver serious performance and value. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or a pro looking to upgrade your setup, now's the time to gear up and save big. Let's dive in and check out the best Lowe's tool deals before these Black Friday and Cyber Monday savings disappear. Save $5 on DEWALT Elite 40-piece drill bit set, now $19.99. Perfect for quick projects, the DEWALT Elite 40-piece drill bit set delivers high performance and precision. The set includes popular sizes for everyday drilling needs. Compact and durable, it's easy to store in your workshop or toolbox and ready for all your drilling tasks. Save $60 on DEWALT 20-volt max 2-tool brushless motor tool combo kit, now $169. Get the DEWALT 20-volt max 2-tool brushless combo kit with batteries, charger, and soft case. Brushless motors offer longer runtime, increased durability, and powerful performance. Perfect for professionals or DIYers, these tools handle drilling, fastening, and other projects efficiently with consistent precision. Save $50 on DEWALT XR 7¼ circular saw kit, now $329. Cut through wood and materials easily with the DEWALT XR 7¼ circular saw kit. Featuring a powerful motor and precision blade, it delivers smooth, accurate cuts every time. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for woodworking, framing, or any job requiring clean, reliable cuts. Save $50 on Kobalt 24-volt 4-tool combo kit, now $249. The Kobalt 24-volt 4-tool combo kit includes a drill driver, impact driver, RO sander, a 4.5-inch circular saw, plus batteries and charger, built for efficiency and versatility. Perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, this kit provides the power and portability to tackle a wide range of projects. Your choice, $99 Craftsman RP V20 drill driver or impact kit. Choose between the Craftsman RP V20 half-inch drill driver or quarter-inch impact driver, each including battery, charger, and soft bag. Both tools are lightweight, durable, and powerful. Ideal for small or large projects, they deliver professional-level performance in a convenient compact package. Buy DEWALT 20-volt 2-pack lithium-ion battery and charger, get 3 free select DEWALT power tools. Stock up on power with this DEWALT 20-volt 2-pack battery and charger starter kit. For a limited time, receive 3 free select DEWALT power tools, giving you everything needed to start multiple projects. Perfect for expanding your tool collection or giving yourself extra backup batteries, this deal combines convenience and maximum value. Save up to $60 on select Craftsman tool storage. Organize your workshop with up to $60 off select Craftsman tool storage. Available in multiple sizes, these chests and cabinets feature durable steel construction, smooth gliding drawers, and secure storage for all your hand and power tools. Perfect for garage, shop, or home use, they keep your workspace tidy and your tools easy to access whenever you need them. Save up to $80 on select Craftsman 52-inch storage. Maximize your storage with up to $80 off select Craftsman 52-inch storage units. With multiple drawers, heavy-duty construction, and smooth casters, these cabinets keep your tools organized and accessible. Ideal for professional shops or home garages, these large storage units provide a durable solution for safely storing tools and equipment. Save $20 on DEWALT Stealthsonic Quiet 12.5-gallon 5.5 horsepower wet-dry shop vacuum, now $129. Keep your workspace clean with the DEWALT Stealthsonic 12-gallon wet-dry shop vacuum. Ultra-quiet operation, strong suction, and a durable design make cleanup fast and easy. Perfect for both workshop and job site use, this vacuum handles wood, metal, and debris with ease while minimizing noise disruptions. Save $50 on Kobalt 46-inch drawer mobile workstation, now $448. Organize and transport your tools with the Kobalt 46-inch drawer mobile workstation. With 9 drawers, durable construction, and smooth rolling casters, this workstation keeps tools secure and portable. Perfect for mechanics, DIYers, or professionals needing mobile organized storage, it ensures your tools are always within reach. Save $70 on Craftsman 6-gallon portable electric 150 PSI Pancake air compressor, now $99. Power up your air tools with this Craftsman 6-gallon portable Pancake air compressor. Compact, lightweight, and capable of 150 psi, is perfect for inflating tires, running nail guns, or other shop projects. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the portable design makes it easy to store or move around your workspace. Save $50 on Husqvarna 150 BT backpack leaf blower, now $349. Keep your yard pristine with $50 off this powerful Husqvarna gas backpack leaf blower. Lightweight, ergonomic, and efficient, it makes leaf removal fast and easy. Perfect for homeowners with large properties, this blower delivers professional-level performance with minimal effort. $50 off Greenworks pressure washer, now $299 through $399. Clean your driveway, deck, or siding with ease. Save $50 on Greenworks 2500 PSI, $299, and 3000 PSI, $399 pressure washers. Compact, powerful, and easy to maneuver, they make outdoor cleaning simple. With adjustable pressure and durable design, these washers provide professional-level cleaning for any outdoor project. Buy DEWALT 12-inch 15-amp dual-bevel sliding compound miter saw. Get free aluminum adjustable miter saw stand. Upgrade your workshop with this powerful DEWALT 12-inch dual-bevel sliding compound miter saw. Perfect for precise crosscuts, bevels, and angle cuts. It features a 15-amp motor and smooth sliding action for professional results. For a limited time, get a free aluminum adjustable miter saw stand, giving you stability, mobility, and convenience on every project. Ideal for both hobbyists and pros. Save $50 on DEWALT 20V Max XR 4-tool combo kit, now $449. Get a complete toolkit with the DEWALT 20V Max XR brushless 4-tool combo kit, including power stack compact battery, 5.0 AH battery, charger, and tool bag. These high-performance tools deliver power, efficiency, and durability for any project. Whether tackling woodworking, remodeling, or everyday fixes, this combo kit provides everything you need to get started or expand your collection. Save up to $90 on select Craftsman 2000 series rolling tool cabinets. Keep your tools organized with up to $90 off select Craftsman 2000 series rolling tool cabinets, featuring multiple drawers, durable steel construction, and smooth rolling casters. These cabinets make workshop storage simple and efficient. Available in multiple sizes and styles, they provide a secure, mobile solution for both garage and professional shop environments. $129 your choice, select DEWALT Power Tools. Score a great deal on select DEWALT Power Tools, including the 20V Max cordless reciprocating saw and 6.5-inch circular saw. Both feature durable construction, ergonomic designs, and reliable performance. Perfect for home improvement, DIY projects, or professional jobs, these tools deliver DEWALT quality at an unbeatable price. Save $50 on Kobalt 302-piece mechanics tool set, now $99. Tackle every repair with the Kobalt 302-piece mechanics tool set. With wrenches, sockets, ratchets, and more, this set equips you for any home or automotive project. Built for durability and organized storage, these tools make work faster, easier, and more efficient. Your choice, $119, DEWALT 20V Max brushless impact driver or drill. Choose between the DEWALT 20V Max brushless quarter-inch impact driver or half-inch keyless drill for just $119. Both tools are lightweight, powerful, and include a battery, charger, and a soft bag for portability. Ideal for woodworking, construction, or home projects, these tools provide professional performance in a compact, convenient package. Your choice, $69, Craftsman V20 drill or impact driver. Get a Craftsman V20 half-inch keyless cordless drill or quarter-inch impact driver for $69. Both tools include a battery and charger, delivering the perfect balance of power and portability. Compact and reliable, they're ideal for home, DIY projects, repairs, and everyday tasks. Save $50, Craftsman V20 6-tool combo kit with soft case, now $249. Equip your workshop with the Craftsman V20 6-tool combo kit with 6 essential tools, batteries, charger, and a soft case. This kit is perfect for DIYers and pros alike. From drilling to driving, it delivers versatility, convenience, and dependable performance in a compact set. DEWALT XR 20V 7-tool site-ready combo kit, now $649. Get all the essential DEWALT tools in one 7-tool site-ready combo kit. Ideal for pros and serious DIYers, this set delivers maximum power, durability, and versatility. Includes batteries, charger, and a soft carrying system so you can start any project immediately with professional-grade tools. Save $1 on Craftsman 30-piece screwdriver bit set, now $9.98. Complete your toolkit with this Craftsman 30-piece screwdriver bit set, perfect for household repairs, assembly, and general maintenance. Compact and durable, it's easy to store and carry, making it a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. Save $160 on DEWALT 20-volt 4-pack lithium-ion batteries, now $199. Power up your tools with the DEWALT 20-volt 4-pack lithium-ion batteries. Designed for long-lasting runtime and fast charging, these batteries are compatible with a wide range of DEWALT 20-volt max tools. Ideal for professionals and DIYers alike, this set ensures you always have backup power on hand for continuous work without downtime. Save $20 on DEWALT 110-piece 4-case combo bit set, now $29.98. Get a complete set of screwdriver and drill bits with the DEWALT 110-piece combo bit set. Organized in 4 cases, it's easy to store and transport for all your projects. Perfect for home repairs, woodworking, and professional jobs, these durable bits are made to last and deliver consistent performance. Save $20 on DEWALT XR 20-volt max brushless half-inch drive cordless impact wrench, now $329. Tackle tough fastening jobs with the DEWALT XR 20-volt max brushless half-inch impact wrench. Brushless motor technology delivers longer runtime, higher efficiency, and extended tool life. Lightweight yet powerful, it's perfect for automotive, construction, or DIY projects that require precision torque. Save $30 on Craftsman V20 2-tool power tool combo kit with soft case, now $119. This Craftsman V20 2-tool combo kit includes a drill and impact driver with batteries, charger, and soft carrying case. Designed for convenience, performance, and portability. Perfect for any project around the house, garage, or workshop, these tools deliver reliable power and efficiency for daily tasks. And that's a wrap on the best Lowe's Black Friday and Cyber Monday tool deals right here on Legit Pick. If you spotted a deal worth grabbing, hit that like button and drop a comment telling us what's going in your cart. These tool savings won't last long, so grab your favorites before they're gone. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more legit finds, deal drops, and buyer guides coming your way. Until next time, stay sharp, stay saving, and stay legit.